Rock Transformations Unit, Lesson 4.2, More Evidence About Venus. Activity 2, Examining Evidence About Venus. Here's what your student screen looks like for this part of the lesson. Remember, we are trying to determine which types of rocks can form on Venus, igneous or sedimentary. Today, you'll read and annotate the evidence card you selected in the last lesson. Later, I'll give you some new evidence cards to read and annotate. Your goal is to identify information and make connections that could be useful in evaluating these two claims. What rock transformation processes are happening on Venus? Claim 1. Venus's rock transformation processes form mostly sedimentary rock. Claim 2. Venus's rock transformation processes form mostly igneous rock. I will model annotating an evidence card to show my thinking. Let's look at evidence card B together. I see rocks of different sizes. These small rocks could be sediment. How does sediment form? You might say, through weathering caused by energy from the sun. Based on this image, I might ask, does weathering happen on Venus? I can write my question on the card. This rock looks smooth, but it is difficult to be certain. The rock could be either sedimentary or igneous. I'll record my thinking. I'll give you the cards you clip together. As you reread the cards, you'll annotate them to record your thinking about rock types on Venus. Read and annotate the cards. Now I'll give you a new set of evidence cards. On the new cards, all of the observations have already been evaluated and determined to be detailed. Remember that during the warm-up you are already considering the evidence needed to determine which rock processes occur on Venus. Here's what your student screen looks like for this part of the lesson. I'll also give you a new reference card to consider. It includes information about temperature and the melting and cooling of rocks for all planets. Carefully read and annotate each evidence card in the new set. You may want to use the new reference card as you work. Students, read and annotate Venus Evidence Card Set 2. End of activity. Be sure to complete all your student work in Amplify for this activity before moving on.